أهلا ومرحبا نزهة معكم. In this video we are going to learn 4 more Arabic letters. Yalla. So the first one here has an equivalent in English, and that's a D. And the name of this letter is daal. The sound in MSA is D, just like in a D sound in English. And as an example, we have here dub, dub. Dub means a bear. Next one here also has an equivalent. It's a TH, but we already use TH as in 3. Now I have a quiz for you. How many sounds does a TH in English make? Right. TH as in 3 makes the sound th. TH as in that makes the sound the. So this one here that we're gonna agree on writing as capital T and a small h is gonna be the one in that. The name of this letter is daal, and the sound is the, just like when we say that. As an example, we have dhura, dhura, and dhura means corn. The next one has an equivalent, but not 100%, because the R in English, when you pronounce the R in English, the tongue is not really contracted and not rolled. However, the R in Arabic is more like a Spanish R. It's similar to a Spanish R. It's less stronger, and it's a rolled and alveolar R. So it's ra, ra, that's the name. Ra, and the sound is r, r. If you can't make this sound, it's not a problem. The reason for that is there are many regions in the Arab world where people cannot pronounce the proper R. Especially, for example, in one city in Morocco called Fez, where people pronounce the R, the Arabic ra, as ra. And also in Syria, there are some regions where they pronounce the ra as an ra. So no worries there. And as an example, we have rajul, rajul, a man, rajul. The next one here is Z. The equivalent of it is a Z. The name is zaay. Some pronounce it zaay, some pronounce it zaay. And the sound is just Z sound, just like in the letter Z in English. As an example, I picked zubda, zubda, butter. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you in the next video.